Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix all RAM not fully usable in Windows. First things first, head to your system information. Type in msconfig into the Run dialog. After that, just navigate to the Boot tab and click Advanced option. Ensure that the maximum memory option is unchecked. Lastly, just apply the changes and restart your PC. As simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix all RAM not fully usable in Windows. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.